Hey other people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest working scripts for my Still a Brainrot game in Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily and click on browse all scripts and click on Still a Brainrot. So it should load up, guys, and then we will have to enter our Roblox user ID or our username there. So I will enter my username. It's Josh, like this. Click connect account. It will start fetching your Roblox profile, guys, and you will get this pop-up. So just click yes, connect, and you will get connected. Info. So guys, there we go. Now we will have to insert or import any executor into our Roblox in order to use scripts, but don't worry because we can do it now. So guys, if you already have Delta executor, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor. And if you have no, just select no as it is now and click import newest Delta executor. So there we go. Now we will select our additional scripts to install. I will select Forge Hub, NICUs, Overflow, and Soluna. These four for now. And guys, you can Google them or see what they do, like what features they have, and select what you like. So when you select this, just click continue. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, guys, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. So let's see what we'll get. So there we go, guys. API is connected, our ID is connected, our four scripts selected are ready, and now we will have this button to click because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts, guys. We also have our activation key ready. So just make sure to click I'm not robot, and let's see what we'll get. Nice, guys, look at this. Our key is connected and our scripts are imported. I'm so excited to open our Roblox right now and to see is it actually working. So let's wait for this to load up, and then let's click on Still a Brainrot. Let's click play, guys, and then let's make sure that this Bloxforge script importer is actually working. Let me rotate it, so we should receive our Delta along 4 scripts selected. So let's see, guys, is it actually working or no? Okay, let's go, guys. We got our Delta, and let's see 4 scripts. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, just as we selected, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked. So let's click on Overflow, for example, and let's see, is it actually working? So let's wait a little bit, and script should load up, right? Nice, guys. Look at this. We got our scripts for free. We can also enable a walk speed. Look at this. And we can test literally a lot of things here. We have jump power. Let me test this. We have give all tools, guys. We will test it as well. Look at this. And our jump, guys, it's pretty cool. We can do literally whatever we like. You can also use all these scripts and to test literally much more scripts. So guys, I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Bloxforge.com was the only working one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.